हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय वीडियो। आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग करने वाले हैं ये भी क्लास 7 के इंग्लिश के चैप्टर नंबर 3 ए हीरो के सारे क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स। तो वीडियो को एंड तक देखिएगा और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, वीडियो को लाइक शेयर जरूर कीजिएगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। नंबर 1 है अंडरस्टैंडिंग द स्टोरी। A. Each statement given below contains one wrong word or phrase which makes the complete statement false. Underline the wrong words or phrases and replace them with the correct ones to make the statements true. One has been done for you. तो इसमें जो अंडरलाइन किए गए हैं वर्ड्स को उसको हम लोग को करेक्ट करके लिखना है, अंडरलाइन करके। पहला है स्वामी's father read the report of a lad's bravery in a weekly magazine। तो वीकली मैगजीन्स पे अंडरलाइन करना, फिर न्यूज़पेपर इसका आंसर होगा। क्वेश्चन 2 है द बॉय वाज रेस्क्यूड बाय सम पीपल हु कैप्चर्ड द टाइगर। तो इसमें कैप्चर्ड गलत है, उस पर अंडरलाइन करके इसकी जगह किल्ड लिखेंगे। फिर स्वामी सेम कन्विंस्ड ऑफ द बॉयज ब्रेवरी। तो कन्विंस्ड पे अंडरलाइन करेंगे और कंफ्यूज्ड करेंगे। फिर स्वामी हैड ऑलवेज लिव्ड बिसाइड हिज मदर। तो इसका हम लोग को मदर पे अंडरलाइन करिए, ग्रैंड मदर लिखेंगे, वो हमेशा अपने ग्रैंड मदर के बगल में सोता था, ना कि मदर के बगल में। फिर है स्वामी प्रपोज टू स्लीप अलोन बिगिनिंग विद द सेम नाइट। बिगिनिंग विद द सेम नाइट गलत है, फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट मंथ होगा। उसके बाद स्वामी स्टडीड इन 4th ग्रेड। तो इसका होगा 2nd ग्रेड, 4th ग्रेड नहीं। उसके बाद होगा 7 स्वामी हैड टू स्लीप अलोन इन द हॉल। नहीं, हॉल नहीं होगा, ऑफिस रूम होगा, क्योंकि उसे ऑफिस रूम में सोना था। अब हम लोग करेंगे बी, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन अबाउट 30 वर्ड्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है हाउ डिड स्वामी रिएक्ट टू द न्यूज ऑफ द विलेज lad's bravery? How was his reaction different from his father's reaction? Answer होगा when Swami heard the news of the village lad's bravery, he did not believe that a small boy would have such courage and strength to face a tiger, whereas his father's thinking was different. In his opinion, age and strength are of no importance. Courage is the most vital factor. फिर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है व्हाट वाज द चैलेंज गिवन टू स्वामी बाय हिज फादर, हाउ डिड ही रिसीव इट? तो इसका आंसर होगा स्वामी's father challenged his son to sleep alone in the office room to prove his courage. Swami was timid boy and thus he slept beside his grandmother as usual. He was very shocked at his father's proposal. Question number 3 है describe Swami's feelings in the office room at night. Answer होगा Swami was trembling with fear as he entered the office room. As silence depended in the house, his heart sank. He could imagine all the ghosts and devils approaching towards him. He felt it was his last day on earth. Question number 4 है How did Swami catch the burglar? Answer Swami heard someone entering through the window and moving around the room. He was sure that the devil had come. He decided to defend himself and thus he hugged his legs and bit him hard. The man fell down screaming and he was caught. Of the following words, which would you choose to describe Swami and why? तो इसमें मैंने मीक, कोवार्डली और करेजियस ये सब था स्वामी में गुण। D. Various incidents in the story evoke contradictory reactions from Swami and his father. Complete the table given below, highlighting the difference of opinion between the two. Father thought and Swami thought. The father's thought था the village boy who had fought a tiger was very courageous, जबकि स्वामी का thought था he felt he was too young to be brave and face such fear. Father का thought courage is everything, strength and age are not important, जबकि स्वामी का thought था courage alone cannot do anything, strength is also important. फिर फादर्स का थॉट था स्लीपिंग अलोन वुड मेक स्वामी करेजियस एंड इंडिपेंडेंट। स्वामी का थॉट था ही फेल्ट मोर सेफर बिसाइड हिज ग्रैंडमदर। अब हम लोग करेंगे नंबर 2 हॉर्स। हॉर्स का क्वेश्चन है करेज इज एवरीथिंग, स्ट्रेंथ एंड एज आर नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट। Do you agree? Why or why not? Answer: no, I don't agree that courage is everything. If one has a lot of courage but no strength and he is fighting with an elder and stronger person, then needs to have strength and also to defeat him. Thus, courage, strength, and age are all equally important. अब हम करेंगे लाइफ स्किल्स। ए, वुड यू कॉल स्वामी अ हीरो? Why or why not? Answer: yes, I would call Swami a hero. It was because of him only that the burglar was caught. At the end, he showed his courage to fight with the devil who was a burglar in reality. B है, should children be allowed to face nasty situations in life or should they be always kept protected? Answer: children should be allowed to face nasty situations in life as this would make them self-confident and self-reliant. It will develop their problem solving skills which would help them to meet the challenges in their life. अब हम लोग करेंगे वैल्यूज। इट इज सेड दैट स्वामी डिड नॉट लाइक द strain of cruelty to his father's nature. Is Swami's father really cruel? तो इसका आंसर होगा no, Swami's father was not cruel in reality. Parents have to show strictness at times for the betterment of their children and to inculcate proper habits and values in them. Of number 5 है writing skills. After the headmaster narrates to the class how Swami caught the burglar, one of Swami's friends write a report of the incident to published in the Malgudi Times. Write the report in about 100 words. देखिए रिपोर्ट है स्वामी our school new hero by a classmate. Malgudi, July 11, 2025. Our headmaster told us amazing news today. Our friend Swami was very brave. A bad person, burglar, came into house at night. Swami was not scared. He beat the burglar. Because of this, the police caught the thief. We are all very proud of Swami. He is a hero for our school. तो यहाँ पर हम लोग का ये चैप्टर फिनिश होता है। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब।